In this example, we once again use a proportion and cross multiplication to solve a percentage problem. Here's the problem. 18.5% of what number is 29.6? First, we write down the generic proportion is over of equals percent over 100. As always, we use the percentage to replace the percent over 100 in the proportion. So in this problem, 18.5% gives us 18.5 over 100. Next, we examine the problem statement to determine which number is the part associated with the word is or another similar verb, and which number is the whole associated with the word of. Since 18.5% replaced the percent over 100 in the proportion, it cannot be associated with of. So we look at what number in the question. 18.5% of what number is 29.6. What number is next to the word of and next to the word is? But if we associate what number with the word is, we have nothing left to apply to the word of. So looking at 18.5% of what number is 29.6, we realize that we must make the following associations. Associate what number with of the whole, and associate 29.6 with is the part. So we have converted the percentage problem, 18.5% of what number is 29.6, to the proportion 29.6 over x equals 18.5 over 100. Now we solve the proportion using cross multiplication. We are allowed to cross multiply because we have an equation with a single fraction on each side of the equal sign. To cross multiply, we multiply up and across the equal sign to get 100 times 29.6 equals, and then multiply up and across the equal sign in the other direction to get 18.5 times x. So we just have to solve the equation 100 times 29.6 equals 18.5 times x. First, we simplify the left side of the equation by performing the multiplication. Now we have 2,960 equals 18.5 times x. To isolate x, we undo the multiplication and divide both sides by 18.5 to get 2,960 divided by 18.5 equals x. Then we perform the division to obtain the solution 160 equals x, or if you prefer, x equals 160. So 18.5% of 160 is 29.6. You can verify the answer is correct by calculating 18.5% of 160 to see if you do indeed get 29.6.